Alright guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're going to be doing another counting video series, and this one is for the rumba. Again, this was a request, so thank you so much. We'll put your handle up below, so thank you for requesting the video. Without further ado, let's get into how to count rumba to music. Let's do it. So before we get into the counts, let's go over the rhythm and then the timing. So we'll use our rumba basic box for the example. So if we do our box step, which we all hopefully know if we are on this video, we're gonna go with the rhythm starting on the slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So we've talked about this before, but if we wanted to do it in numbers, the slow holds 2 beats and the quick each holds 1 beat. So it does go in 4 beats total. So if we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you wanted to count in a full 8 count to finish the box, it would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think for beginners, it's probably easier just to keep it in 4s, so there's not so many different numbers, but you are starting on the 1, so that's good news. And if slow, quick, quick is easier, we'll do kind of both versions to the music, but just so you had a general understanding of the timing. So you're only changing weight within 4 beats 3 times. So that means that the first one is longer and the second 2 are shorter if you didn't get that from the slow, quick, quick or the numbers, okay? So just remember there's only 3 steps and we're taking the first step slower than the second 2. So when we clap, we're only gonna clap for the 1 or the slow. Instead of going 1, 2, we're only gonna clap on the counts that we would actually step on. So if we were to demonstrate without the music, it's just gonna be slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or the 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so without further ado, let's try it with some rumba music and we'll clap it out and count it with you.
We go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow.
All right, let's demonstrate that with the music and we'll do it all together.
6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
All right guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope this helped find the count and the beat and the music for you. And be sure to check out how to count music for beginners, just for all levels, just to find the beat. If you're having trouble with that, we'll link that below. I'll also put it up here for you. So be sure to check that video out if you're struggling finding the beat. And check out the rest of our rumba stuff that we have up. We have up some stuff on YouTube, and we also have a whole bunch more stuff up on our website, Ballroom Feed Pro section, so check that out too. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.